while I push the I do the dash, all the way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas. Yeah, okay, my timing is critical. They know my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual. Falling smoke like I'm leading a ritual. You bet my cash is on. I hit the gas, I'm gone. I've been stuck in my zone. It's
the most beautiful time of the day. Serving it up Gary's way. What? Scary for it. Scary for it. On, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, you already know my name is Chris. We are building my Mark 7 GTI channel. Building my Mark 7 GTI here on the channel. We go fast and have a good time. If that is something that interests you, go down there, do the thing, click the buttons, join the fam. We're on the road to 10K. We finally hit 2,000 subscribers. I'm super stoked. And yeah, bro, I'm just excited to get into this. You already know it's that time of the month again, boy. POV, baby. POV is my favorite video. We're gonna rip it. We're gonna terrorize the streets of West Lebanon. I think we're gonna meet up with Neptune's SDI and maybe get some runs in and rip around, and this is gonna be a good video. I'm hyped about this one. In today's video, we're gonna wash this nasty pig because she's literally disgusting. Throw on the GoPro and let her eat. Bro, what is this? That's literally a rock on my side skirt. Sorry, I sound super disoriented. I'm like, I'm in kind of a hurry. I'm trying to hurry up. I always am, and I always seem to be late, so go me. Yeah, we're gonna go to the wash, get some petrol, go meet up with Neptune's SDI, see if we can get some rips in. Yo! You guys are gonna be stoked about this, because, well, maybe you won't be, but I'm pretty hyped. Your boy, we got the... Do I need to cover anything? I don't know. We got the Kenya 1 plates. We finally got the vanity plates. Let's go! Damn, I got a lot I gotta talk about. I haven't talked to you guys in like a week. I got a bunch of, Jesus Christ, I've got an X-brace coming in so that we can finally get harnesses and buckets in here, because for those who don't know, these seats are like this very special leather bolstering with plaid inserts. That's a factory upgrade option, I guess. I'm not 100% sure. That's the best answer I've come up with for the Autobahns. It was a factory upgrade. And I really don't want to ruin them. I don't plan on selling them, so sorry to the homies who thought I was going to, but I don't want to ruin them either, because I've never seen them in anything else, and they're starting to get like a little wear, and I don't want that to happen. We're gonna do harnesses, we're gonna do buckets, full race car, because you know that's what we're going for. And yeah. Other than that, I also bought another car, but it's not what you guys think, so that'll be probably in the next couple videos. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be pretty interesting. It's a big move for the channel, but not in the way that you think. Wink, 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 wink. All right, I've been talking way too long. Let's go. Boom. We're all set up. Ah, I'm excited. Let's boogie. Also, I'm not saying it's not, but my inspection situation, because my car is inspected, may have finally be figured out. I just have to take care of some other little things so that when I do have to re-inspect it, it'll pass. So that's kind of sick. Your boy's gonna be full legal race car now. Scrape on the way out for the boys. Oh, no way. Let's go. It's gonna be a good day. Also, go down in the comments right now and let me know, because I'm actually in such a toss-up between this. Okay, I have 2 sets of wheels picked out, right, for springtime. Here's my thing. I would really love to bump down to a 17 and get more meat on here, because you know your boy's gonna need it. I really kind of want a little bit of a hot boy set of wheels. But either way, hear me out. If I do like a hot boy setup, I'm still gonna run 18s. I'm just gonna run exactly what's on it now, spec-wise, and I'll just run like a meaty tire on it, and it's gonna be a vibe either way. But what would you guys rather see? Because I'm actually stuck in the middle. I really wanna run like a hot wheel, especially for summer. I know, like, you know, race car, I could run like a 17, but I feel like a lot of people are doing that right now. But a lot of people are also doing hot boy wheels, so I don't know what to do. Let me know down below. Either way, I'm gonna send it. I don't care if they're nice or not, or I'm here to let her eat. But anywho, I missed you guys. It's been like a week since the last video. Really only because the weather's been fucking trash, dude. Like, look, it's raining right now. Not like it was last time we filmed, but yeah, the weather's been trash. It's been cold again. It snowed the other day and sleeted and rained again yesterday, so we're getting there. I love the looks I get when I have this on my head. It's so funny. Everybody's like, what the fuck, bro? It's all clean, boys. But we gotta get some petrol and then meet up with Cole because I'm late and making them wait for me again, as always, because they are way too kind. 467, that ain't bad, bro. Yonk. Oh, damn, a little TV, let's go. Bro, I'm such a goober. Last time I drove off with my cap and everything open, I was like, yep, that's neat. Dude, I'm so excited for harnesses. You guys have no idea. I have so much planned for this summer. You guys have no clue. I found a track that we can get onto. We've got track days planned. I've got events planned. I am so hyped. Your boy is not playing when I say we're making it to 10K this summer, bro. I'm so excited. I hope you guys are, I'm just so hyped. I hope you guys are as excited as me.
This thing sounds crazy. Hello?
Yo, where you at?
Going under the underpass.
Oh, nice. Okay.
I'm next to Sandries. Cole's like, yeah, there's literally a cop here. Don't come here. Oh, sweet! This guy actually just stopped and parked there. What the fuck? Brother made the vlog.
Oh, sweet!
What's up, Tommy?
Hey, man, you know, just being late and what have you.
Yeah, always.
The usual.
Nice head cam. You really
Hey!
I was at the car wash, like walking around, and people were like,
yo, you guys see that GTI? Damn, is that sweet? Oh shit. Oh shit. That Chris from Kenya, dog? What if I can get his... Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, STI! Oh my god!
oh, it smells so good. I love it.
Ah, it smells like 93.
Gear is so long. Forget, as always, if you're here, go down there and hit the like button for your boy real quick. Right now, go hit it. Pushes the videos much farther and allows us to grow so we can hit that 10K sub goal. You know what I'm talking about? Shameless plug. How fast can we take this corner? Let's see. funny. Yo, Brian, you made the vlog, bro. That's so funny. I didn't even know it was him until he was behind me. Yo, is that full bolt on, bro? All right, bud. I finna let her bang. Let her bang bang. Damn, what a good start to the vlog. Let's go see who else we can find, boys. Hey, yo, I just saw G35 go this way. Oh, right there. Damn, he parked. Oh, little clean ass G35. I see you, boy. Like, you know how sometimes things get annoying? Like, to be fair, burble tunes and crackle tunes, things like that, after a while they kind of get annoying, or they like, you get used to it and it's not as loud as it used to be, or you know what I'm saying, like shit like that. I never get used to this car. Every time I hear like the blow off, the intake, the induction noises, everything about this car, bro, gets me juiced every time I drive it. It's ridiculous. Like, just, that gets me every time. I will never get used to that with any car. Oh, perfect. My boy cleared the way. Holy shit! Brothers, well, between the amount of law enforcement that is enforcing out tonight and the fact that I'm trying to find where I can go, and where I can go I'm not finding anybody else, so we're gonna mosey on home. Oh my god, I'm gonna actually piss my pants. At this point I would feel better if I just pissed my pants. I gotta pee so bad, oh my god. Chill out for a second. Very cool. Okay, there's more than one. We're gonna go this way. Oh, you son of a bitch. I think we may have dodged the bullet on that one, brother. They're definitely looking for something, but not me, so that's cool. We're gonna chill, run into Walmart, because I gotta piss, like, bad. Alrighty, bros, and this quick little POV has commenced, and I hope, as always, you liked the video and enjoyed it. I love our POV rips. You know, we got to do it every couple of weeks because it's kind of my favorite video. But I hope you guys are really excited. For real, I'm trying to plan so much for the summer and push the channel as far as I can and as hard as I can for the summer, so I hope you guys are hyped, and I'm very excited. There's so many mods, so many good people we're going to meet, and yeah, I can't say thank you enough. That's what we do. I don't know what else to say. Go out there and rip it for me. Have a good time. As always, just keep driving. And you boy will catch you in the next one. I'm out.